Welcome back to another demonstration tutorial. So for today, we will be creating a program about data types and arithmetic operations. So to start, right-click your folder, in your workspace here in Visual Studio Code. So right-click your folder and then create new folder. And name it as Module 2 dash files. There you go. And then after creating your folder Module 2, right click it and create new file. And name it as Act 1 dash Mod 2 or Module 2. And then IS301, your subject code, and your initials. Okay, so we have here, save this one as PHP. So as you can see, hindi siya readable as PHP. So, in case na mangyari mo sa inyo, right-click that file and then rename it and make it as .php. So, here we have our PHP files. Okay, now, let's start typing your activity or the activity about data type and arithmetic operations. So first, we will have our tag, of course, which is PHP. And then, okay, so we will create first variable here. Guys, this is just, what do you call this, a comment, so that you will know what are, okay, the variables, how do we declare variables and initializations here. So these are variable declarations. Under this one, under this comment is variable declarations and initializations. So here, let's, for example, we will create a string. Okay, so data type, string tayo. Kapag string, you will use str. Okay, str, and then the name of your variable. Let's, for example, lname. Okay, so strlname equals to, so please put your last name. Okay, there you go. And don't forget your semicolon. So this is a string data type. Okay, this is a string data type. Next, guys, for your information, do not copy this one in case you will be doing your activity, since these are just comments. These are just comments, so you will know what kind of variable declaration are here and what kind of initializations. Next one, let's create another one, string data type here. So if we have last name, we will have our, of course, first name. Okay, then type your first name, then semicolon. So middle name, so empty. Go. So these are both string data type also. Okay. Next, we will have double. We need to say in our answer. Okay. So here we will be having your, let's say for example your grade. Okay, we will be having your grades at school. So double for your prelim. Okay, and then equals to, let's say for example, that is 80.50. Then, this guys, this is a numeric data type. Okay, number. It is part of the numeric data type. Okay, and then integer. So here we have the double, meaning to say we have what do you call this? Decimal. Okay, and then mid-term 85. This is also a numeric data type. Next, of course, your finals. Your finals is DBL finals. Let's say, for example, it is a double because you got a number or a grade that has a decimal. That's why it's double. Okay, so there you go. This is another a numeric data type. Next, of course, you will have or you need to have your name. So this is the process for your operations. Here, you will do the process, okay, on how will you get your subject grade, okay? So let's say for example here, let's call our full name. So mag-create tayo ng another variable dito, str full name. So we will have a concatenation here. So full name, and then what is our full name? So concatenation meaning to say pagsasama-samahin natin yung mga name natin. Itong tatlo, pagsasama-samahin natin yung value niya. So of course, una natin si lname. Okay, una natin si lname and then space, tuldok, space, double quotation, and then comma. Okay, and then space lang. So this is how you concatenate, guys, kung paano kayo or kung paano nyo pagsasama-samahin yung mga dapat nyo pagsasama-samahin. Then fname, same process lang tayo. And then your middle name. Okay, middle name and then semicolon na. So here, we have a concatenation here. Ito, nagkaroon na tayo ng concatenation dito. Okay, next, we will be having on how to compute your average for this subject. Let's say, for example, for this subject, how will you compute this one? So of course, we will be going to have a double. Why? Because you have a grade that has a decimal. So double subject grade. Okay, ayan, nag-declare ulit tayo, equals to, paano ba natin kinocompute yan? Siyempre, we need to add this 3 and then divide it by 3. How to do that? Open and close parentheses, then call this 3. DBL pre, in, and DBL fin. So, yun yung pag-add-add natin. DBL pre, and then plus, okay, int, mid, there you go, and then yung finals ninyo, DBL fin. And then after that, of course, we need to divide that into 3 so that you can get your subject grade. So we have an addition and division operator here. Okay? So your output, how will you display your output? We need to have an echo or parang label, ganon, to identify saan yung prelim grade mo, saan yung midterm grade mo, kung paano siya nakuha, ganon. So, student name, of course, yung pangalan mo. Student name, ang tatawagin niyo natin tong STR full name. Para at least, ang lilitaw dito, yung kompletong pangalan mo na. So, student name, tatawagin na natin yung yung STR STR full name. Ayan, STR full name dot, ayan. So, siya yung tinawag natin to display your full name. So, ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There you go. And then, for your prelim grade, we will call it prelim grade. Ayan. And then, tawagin natin siya as prelim grade DBL pre. Okay, DBL pre. Ayan. Then that. Then grade. And so on and so forth. Hanggang sa tapos tayo sa subject grade. So, echo. Ayan. Midterm grade. Ayan siya. So, int yung midterm grade natin, no? So, int mid. Okay, last two. Finals and finals and subject grade. Guys, nag-copy-paste lang ako para hindi masyadong mahaba yung video, okay? Don't do this. Para at least masanay kayong nag-type lahat. Huwag kayong nagka-copy and paste. Subject grade. Then, kung ito kasi, tendency magkamali kayo, hindi nyo mapalitan yung mga na-copy ninyo. Okay? So, dito, DBL fin. Tapos dito, subject grade. Ito yung tatawagin natin kasi dito natin sinolve yung tatlo. DBLS grade. DBLS grade. Ayan. And don't forget your closing, of course. Your closing tag. Ayan. Then save it. Don't forget. Ayun. Naging X na siya. Nagpakita na si X. Then, let's try to open this one. Don't forget to open your SAM. And then, start. And then, admin. Then, go to your browser. Type localhost / your folder. Make sure yung folder niyan. Refresh ko lang to para lumitaw yung module 2 files ko. Okay? So, ayan yung module 2 files. Okay. So, ayan. So, ito na yung PHP file natin. So, undefined. As you can see, undefined tong str full name natin. Meaning to say, we have a, what do you call this? We have an error. So, on line 12. Meaning to say, line 12, before line 12. Okay? So, let's go back with our program. Okay. Okay. So, here, hanapin nyo ang yung before sa before ito. So, hanapin niyo yung problem on line 12. So, this is our line 12. STR full name. So, ito. Minus equals dapat to. Save it. Refresh. Ayun siya. So, lumitawin na yung pangalan and then yung prelim grade niya, midterm grade, final grade. And then, automatically, kinompute na niya yung subject grade natin. So, yun yung ating output. Okay? Now, let's proceed with the next one. Let's apply if and else statement naman. Okay? Let's apply, apply if and else statement. So, dagdag ko lang siya dito, guys. Ayan. Dito tayo. Apply ko lang yung if and else statement. Ayan. So, if, ayan, if, kapag if, di ba, merong condition. So, what will be our condition? If yung subject grade daw natin is greater than 74, di ba, kapag greater than 74 siya, that is pass. Pero kapag less than 74 yan, or 74, tawag dito, less than or equal to 74, that is fail. So, if and else tayo dito, guys, ha? Echo, ayan. Remarks natin, of course, pass. Diba? So, let's say, for example, congratulations, you pass. Ayan. And then, don't forget to have your break. Then, the semicolon. And, else na tayo. Else, diba? Diyan papasok yung else. Kapag hindi siya greater than 74, automatically, you are failed. Sorry, you failed. Ayan. Okay? Then, break. Then, semicolon. So, let's see. So, save it para makita nyo yung text doon. And save. And then, just refresh your web browser. Ayan. So, congratulations, you pass. Kasi nga, 85 yung subject grade natin. Okay? Next one, let's apply if and else if statement naman. If and else if statement naman. So, we will apply the if and else if statement. Okay? So, ayan. So, else if, and then else statement and compound conditions. So, dito natin ilalagay yung mga yon. So, let's say for example, if, okay, yung subject grade daw natin, okay, if our subject grade is greater than or equal to 98 and, okay, and, yung ampersand sign natin, and less than or equal to 100. Less than or equal to 100, ang lilitaw dyan, output is ratings. Ang ratings natin is excellent. Okay, ayan siya. Then, BR. Next one, else if. Ito siya, pwede nyo gamitin to guys. Else if, sige, or pwede rin ganito, hiwalay siya. Ayan. So, else if, para hindi tayo masyado mahaba ang tinatype or ang video natin, ayan. So, 98 na yon, automatically this is 92 to 97. Ayan. So, ang ratings natin is very good. Ayan. Very good. Okay, i-copy ko lang to guys para hindi mahaba ang ating bilang ay ang ginagawa. Okay. Else if, ito, this is 91, and then, ito ay 83. So, ang ano natin dito is good. Next one, ang next condition natin, kapag ang subject grade natin is greater than or equal to 78 and less than or equal to 83, ang remarks natin is fair. Yan. Next. Kapag ang ratings natin or kapag ang subject grade natin is greater than or equal to 75 and this is 77, this is pass. Okay? And that will be our last kasi nga 75 na to. So, else na tayo dito. Else, syempre, failed ka. Diba? Echo, yung ratings natin is automatically failed. Ayan. Okay? And then click save. So, check natin. So, ang grade natin kanina is 85.85. As you can see here, nasaan yung 85.85. So, dapat ang lilitaw na ratings natin is good. So, check natin. Dapat good ang lilitaw na ratings. Okay, we have an error. So, on line 29, balikan natin. Line 29, ito siya. Okay, we have an error. Line 29, this is the line 29. Echo ratings if grade greater than or equal to 98 and ayun, kulang, hindi natin nalagay yung mga double kasi hindi niya na-identify, guys. What are these? Okay, so hindi niya na-identify yun. You need to put the DBL as grade dun sa after ng end natin to identify that it is a or it is the subject grade. And save. So, save nyo na and then balik na tayo doon sa ating web browser. Again, dapat good ang lilitaw dyan. Ayun. Ratings is good. Okay? So, ganun siya. Ganun nag-function yung else if natin. Next, i-apply naman natin ngayon yung switch. Okay? Yung switch natin. Yung switch case natin. Apply natin yung switch. So, we will declare, of course, first, let's declare diba yung kanina natin, yung value. Okay? Mag-a-assign tayo ng value doon sa ating switch or sa ating variable. Okay? We will assign a variable sa course code natin. So, how to do that? Of course, yung i-create natin na variable. So, let's say for example, course code. Ayan. Lagay natin as core code. Ayan. Equals BSIS daw. Then, ayan. Now, we will implement the switch case statement. Implement na natin yan. First, we have our switch. Ayan, as you can see, kapag nag-tab ka, ulitin ko ha, kumari yan, switch. May lumitaw, di ba? Kapag click ko yung tab sa keyboard, automatically, may lilitaw dun sa kanina. Okay, eto, lilitaw to. Ayan. So, ayan. Para hindi kayo malito, guys, si value to, and then code to, and then break. Okay? So, what will be our variable here? Tatawagin natin tong si course code, of course. Okay? So, this is the str core code. Ayan. Okay? And then, guys may open and close tayo dito, curly braces. So, yung case natin, what will be our first value? Let's say, for example, your course, BSIS. And then, dito, mag-e-echo tayo, what is the description of BSIS? Or BSIS stands for what course? So, Bachelor of Science in Information System. Okay? And then, break. Tapos, semicolon, and then yung break dito. Okay? To stop. Then, we will have another. Syempre, may iba tayong courses, hindi lang BSIS. Diba? So, meron tayo dito. Let's say, for example, BSIT. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology naman to. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Ayan siya. Next, we have, let's say for example, the CS. Okay? So, BSCS tayo. Yung course niyan is Computer Science. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Ayan. So, break. Since wala na tayo, we will have our default. Echo tayo dito. And then, pwedeng lagay natin sa course is no course information available. Ibig sabihin, wala pa siyang course na available or hindi na identify, nakikita. And then break, and then you're closing curly braces. And then don't forget to save your work and check it on your web browser. Okay, check it on your web browser. Bakit Bachelor of Science in Information System? Bakit agad-agad? Naka-Bachelor of Science in Information System siya. Why? Kasi nga, ang STR core code natin is BSIS. That's why, ang first case natin is BSIS. Ayan. Ito yung kinuha niya. Pero kapag BSIT to, check nyo ha. Kapag BSIT to, so save ko lang to, dapat ang lilitaw, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. So, refresh ko lang. Ayan siya, Information Technology. Okay, kasi nga, binigyan natin ng value yung ating variable. That's why, ayun yung niread niya. Okay? So, ayun yung sa switch case. Okay. So, now, that will be all for this activity or for this demonstration about the data types and arithmetic operations. So, continue to do this work. Continue on step number 12 on your learning module. Doon sa module 2.1 ninyo. So, i-continue nyo lang yon. Okay? So, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you!